Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are going through a very beautiful set of 80s count chettinad pure cotton sarees. Beautiful colors in dark and light shades are available in these collections. The beautiful fancy borders of the saree enhances the elegance of this set. Saree length of the first collection you are now seeing is 6.2 meters along with running blouse. And this beautiful collection you are getting in a price of 889 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For making orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. And now we are moving to the second set, same 80s count pure chettinad cotton sarees along with fancy borders. But this set is coming without blouse and the saree length is 5.5 meter. And the price of this collection is 789 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. And we are also providing ikat and kalamkari printed cotton blouse piece if you want it along with this saree. For that you need to pay extra 90 rupees. And this one also you can order through the given WhatsApp number or either you can order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links are given in the description. And also you can join our WhatsApp group. The links are given in the description. And please avoid making direct calls. Do DM to the given WhatsApp number. And our payment mode is through online only. Hope you guys like these beautiful collections.